going to use the current year journalized transactions on page 10 of the cash payments journal. The checks used source documents are abbreviated C. So our first thing, page number 10 there at the top. And then our first transaction, October 1st, paid cash for telephone bill, $85, C321. So our date, October 1st. Then what do we think our account title is if we're paying our telephone bill? Utilities expense, just like when we did Eddie. Next is our check number box, so you'll just write 321. And then our $85, what column will that go in? General what? Debit, okay. General debit, $85. And what credit? Okay, cash credit. Since we're in the cash payments journal, every line should have something in the cash credit column. Okay, next on October 7th, we paid cash for office supplies, $52, C322. For date's the 7th, what's our account title going to be? Supplies dash office. Check number 322. Nope. Okay, what columns is our $52? Okay, cash credit for sure. And then our debit. Okay, general debit. Then October 11th, we paid cash to GMT Hardware for merchandise with a list price of $800 less a 60% trade discount, C323. Okay, so our date's the 11th. Our account title, this is tricky, it's something new. What do we think it might be? It's not GMT Hardware because we didn't charge it to them. We paid for it. So what else could it be?
Merchandising.
That is a good guess. But it's not that either. It's going to be purchases. And check number is 323. Okay, then for our amount, it said it was $800 less a 60% trade discount.
Our amount times 60%.
So 800 times 60.
Like 0.60?
Yeah.
480.
Okay, so 480, so you have to do 800 minus 480. Okay, so 320, that's how much we actually paid. So that's going to be general debit, cash credit. Okay, then our next one here, the 17th, we paid cash on account to West Supply, covering purchase number 199 for $3,420 less a 2% discount. So our date's the 17th. Then our account title is probably what? Okay. We don't have to put accounts payable, just like when we did our purchase journal, we can just put the company name, so we'll just put in West Supply.
Like that, you think?
And it's check number 324. Okay, then now that we have this 2% discount, this is where things are a little tricky. It's definitely different than what we've done before. So the first thing we're going to do is you still have to account for that original amount that you owed them. So the $3,420 we're going to put in the accounts payable debit column. So 3,420. Now we need to take that times the 2%. Okay, so $68.40 is going to go in the purchase discount credit column.
600 what?
Oh, 20.
$68.40. And so then to know what our cash credit was, take the 3,420 minus 6840. And we should get $3,351.60.
3,300.
51. 60 cents.
Oh.
Okay, and then our last one, on the 19th, we paid cash on account to Quill Forest Products, covering purchase invoice number 182 for $4,380. No cash discount was offered. So the 19th is our date. Our account title will be what? Okay, Quill Forest Products.
What? What did you say?
Quill, Q-U-I-L-L, Forest Products. Okay, then check number 325. And then our amount of 4,380. Where is this going to go? Okay, accounts payable debit. And cash credit. Okay, so we have that done. So the thing you have to remember, when you get a trade discount, you calculate that right away and record that new amount in there. When you have like the 2% discount, you have to always still put your original amount in there because we have the column for the purchase discount. Okay, so that's all for the work together, so you can do the on your own and the application.